If you've ever tried to put fitted sheets on an RV mattress, you know the struggles. This upgrade might just have been the easiest decision we ever made. Check it out.
With a heart full of freedom, we greet each day free to roll. Can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll. In our Alliance paradigm, we're free in our soul.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel.
I'm Shawn.
And I'm Billie.
And we're free to roam.
Today, you guys, we're gonna unbox a product that I have been wanting for a very long time. Ladies, if you know what the struggle is like in the bedroom, I'm talking about making your bed in the RV, you know this product is gonna change my life. And hopefully it's gonna change yours. So let's go get it out of the truck. We'll unbox it, we'll talk about it, we'll put it to use and let you know what we think. Let's go.
Oh, your package came.
Look at that. Can't really see where it's from, but I'll show you in a minute. I'm gonna let you carry it over to the table.
Okay, cool.
Anybody who knows me knows my favorite color is blue. Free to roam blue, specifically.
Oh, wow. That looks awesome.
Okay, first of all, if you can see what the box says here, you'll know what I'm getting. BEDDY'S. Y'all, I have been wanting this product for so long. Ladies, you know what a struggle it is to make the bed in the RV. Literally, it's a workout.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this to use, I'm gonna tell you all about it, and then we're gonna use it, and I'm gonna tell you what I think of it. So, stay tuned. I'm gonna go put it on the bed,
Awesome.
and then we'll let you guys know.
Well, that didn't take very long.
Yeah, okay, you guys, so look how beautiful this looks. We got our Beddys, brand new Beddys. We pulled this out of the box and put it on. It was not hard. The first time we did slide the mattress down just slightly so that we could get the elastic straps put over the bottom. But from now on, we don't have to do that. If we want to wash the entire thing, yeah, we can take off the bottom. But the cool thing about it, you guys, when I want to get in bed, I just unzip my side over here and I get in bed. Same with Shawn. This is beautiful. Now, Beddys is patented. Nobody out there has a product like this. Everything comes all in one. When you get a Beddys set, you get a comforter, a sheet, pillow shams, pillowcases, and a mattress skirt, I guess you will, that goes all the way down here, and it just makes your whole bed seem beautiful. I am a firm believer that if you get up in the morning and you make your bed, your day is going to be great. This is so easy. You get up in the morning, you put your covers back, you zip it up, and look how beautiful this looks. It doesn't look bulky. It doesn't look trashy. It is a nice made bed. And this material we got is absolutely wonderful. It is soft. It's pleasant to lay on, and it looks beautiful. I think it matches our coloring in the Alliance paradigm very well. Now, Beddys comes in sizes from toddler bed all the way up to king, and as you can see, RV mattress sizes as well. We got an RV king, and it fits our bed perfectly. So on their website, you can get any size you are looking for. Now, this is what I wanted to show you guys, how easy it is when it is bedtime. We take our accent pillows off. To get ready for bed, it's wonderful. I just come up here, I unzip it, fold my covers back, and I get in. Now the cool thing about this is the sheet is built in, you guys. Look at this. This is the sheet that is built in to the cover. Another thing is, if you're the kind of person like Shawn who wants to zip themselves up like a mummy, you can. But if you're like Billie and you need a foot out, I can just kick a foot out here and not even have to worry about Shawn. The other beautiful thing is when it's time to clean this, you take it and you unzip it. This whole top thing comes off, and then the sheet comes off as well, so you can take everything and wash it. And then you just leave the bottom part on, and when you're done with your laundry, you zip the sheet back on, you zip the comforter back on, and you're good to go. Now, another thing that Beddys does when you get a set, they send you an extra sheet. So this sheet just zips on like the other one. So if I'm doing laundry and I take the other sheet and I go wash it, but I want to make my bed before I'm done washing, I can just put the extra sheet back on. When I get ready to make the bed back, I tuck my sheet in, it folds in perfectly. I zip it back together. Look at that, how easy the zipper flows. Y'all, anybody can make this bed. It is not hard to make. When we get up in the morning, the first thing we do is we make our bed, because that's gonna make our day function so much better. And look how beautifully neat it looks when you get the bed made. Boom, done. Just like that. Beddys is one of those companies that we've been wanting to work with for a while because we believe in their product and they're designed in the US. And Beddys has also teamed up with GovX to make a 20% military discount. Beddys is a patented design, and you will not find anything else like it on the market. Each zipper bedding set is all in one piece. Your Beddys comes with a sheet, the blanket, the comforter, matching pillowcases, and pillow shams. And they all go on your bed just like a fitted sheet, but much easier. Beddys comes in sizes from toddler to king, including all your RV sizes, and they're perfect for any bed, but especially on beds in tight spaces. That's what makes them so good for RV use. It's easy to make your bed every day with Beddys' unique zipper functionality. Beddys has all kinds of different style options on their website. Beddys is a great solution for any hard-to-make bed, bunk beds, corner beds, and, of course, RV beds. One other thing that we love is no matter how many times you toss and turn, Beddys stays on the bed all night long. No more fitted sheets coming off in the middle of the night. Okay, you guys, that's the unboxing and installing version of our Beddys. I am so excited. It is so soft. I cannot wait to sleep on it tonight. We will keep letting you guys know what we think of Beddys the first time we wash it, take it apart. I'll let you know how it goes and how it has changed our RV life. I think it's going to change the way we make our bed, the way we do our laundry. Everything is just going to be so much more simple when it comes to making the bed.
Yeah, anytime we find a product like that that literally changes something that we do every day,
yes,
we definitely want to share it with you
Yeah.
guys. And so in that spirit, we have a discount code. If you're interested in Beddys, we can save you a little bit of money. Check out the link in the description of this video.
Okay, the product we got is the Beddys Zip Base Luxe RV King, and the color we got was the Gentry All Cotton. Now, you can get these with a mink version of the sheet instead if you like to be a little warmer when you sleep. We just wanted to try out the all cotton version. Maybe we might try out a mink version, we'll see down the road. But right now, we got the Luxe RV King Gentry All Cotton. They shipped it out to us pretty quick, so look on their website. There's all kinds of sales going on. You can always find sales, and also, like Shawn said, we'll give you our discount code so you get a little bit of a discount. I'm excited to try this out, you guys, and I'm excited to let you know how it is. So stay tuned for future updates on our Beddys.
Happy wife, happy life.
Thanks for coming along for this product review, you guys. Like I said, we'll keep you posted on it. Until next time,
We'll see you out there.
take care.
Heart full of freedom, we greet each day free to roll, roll. Can't you see?